Hey, Pop, while I'm rolling video this time, tell me again about what you were knocking off there with a file.
That's flux. It melts when the rod is actually melting there and it keeps the atmosphere off of the molten metal until it solidifies.
Got it.
Because if you try to weld with a bare rod, it'll be hard as glass, but it won't hold now.
You sure you wouldn't rather spend like $150 on a new part than just fix it in 5 minutes?
Yeah. That's the reason I said fix it to start with. I know what they're going to say when you call. Well, we hadn't got a new one, but we'll take the old one off when you have it for 70. Goddamn, save you money on a new one, costed 80 cents, $80, and that in 70.